सीजन 2 को स्पॉन्सर्ड बाय अमूल में अब वक्त है पुरुषों के 57 किलोग्राम यानी कि 57 किलोग्राम वर्ग कुश्ती का। हरियाणा हैमर्स की ओर से आ रहे हैं भारतीय मूल के संदीप तोमर। Power Vita Pro Wrestling League Season 2 को स्पॉन्सर्ड बाय अमूल में जयपुर निंजास की ओर से आ रहे हैं भारतीय मूल के उत्कर्ष काले।
Sandeep Tomar of the Haryana Hammers, the 26-year-old, has got experience of competing at the Olympics as well. Went to Rio, represented India there. He goes up against Utkarsh Kale in the men's 57 kg category. Utkarsh, the younger of the two wrestlers, he's just 22 years old. Vesna Pepersky is the referee for this contest. She hails from Serbia, remember? That's Utkarsh Kale for you, the 22-year-old in the yellow and green singlet. And this is a must-win bout for the Jaipur Ninjas. If they don't win here, they lose the tie.
And Utkarsh Kale, the man entrusted with that, and the omen's not good. He's competed in all the first 3 rounds and lost on every occasion. And up against him, Sandeep Tomar has lost 1 and won 2. Tomar in a position to drive his man out, does exactly that. So first point to Sandeep Tomar.
Sandeep is in the orange and blue singlet to the right of your picture frames. He does have more experience. He's older than Utkarsh Kale. Medals at the Commonwealth Championships for him. Right from 2014, where he won gold at the World Military Championship. Had gold at the Senior Commonwealth Championships in South Africa as well in 2013.
Again in the position for the push out. 1 point again to Sandeep Tomar. So it's 2-0, he leads.
No fingers.
Very businesslike in his approach, Sandeep Tomar, John. You can see he's crouching low, wants to get right back to the center of the mat. The moment he scores a point, he wants to engage again with his opponent. Doesn't want to give him a breather or time to recuperate his breath, so he's very sharp that way. Realizing with all the experience that he has, that you don't need to let your opponent recover.
First determined attempt by Utkarsh Kale, but can't make it tell. Went for that leg grip and stopped from gaining it by Sandeep Tomar. Arms locked. And we know Vesna Pepersky is particularly sharp on passivity, so I'm sure she's having a word with both of them right now. Well, they haven't taken too much notice. This is stalemate. They're like a couple of statues for the moment.
The 2 points that have been scored by Sandeep Tomar have both come thanks to push-outs, resulting in a single point. And a win in this tie, in this bout, will determine the outcome of the tie. As far as Haryana Hammers are concerned, they win this and they win the contest. At the moment, though, the first round's come to an end. Right, we're about to start round 2 of this contest. The men's 57 kg category contest in progress. Utkarsh Kale up against Sandeep Tomar. Sandeep Tomar is to the right of your picture frames. He's in the orange and blue singlet and leading by a couple of points. His base price, John, at the auction was 20 lakhs, Sandeep Tomar's. He went for something like, what, 31 lakhs. Just tells you that Bhupinder, whom you were just talking about, put the kind of price that he did on the experience that Sandeep Tomar had, and the fact that he'd just come back from the Olympics. He'd actually qualified and represented India at the Olympics, went in his favour. They went hard for him in the auction, broke the bank literally for him.
Yeah, important to stress that each team has a limit on what it can spend, so there's no way that you can buy the best team. You've got to use your money sensibly.
Absolutely. They spent 47 lakhs on Kurban Aliyev, who's the world champion 2016. Now, the passivity kicking in for Sandeep, and he's not scored a point, so a point will be given to his opponent. Utkarsh scores a point, and that will probably be like a lifeline for the Jaipur Ninjas grappler.
Yes, indeed. Just makes Sandeep Tomar, I'm sure, nervous. Desperately trying to take his man out, but it's gone wrong.
And that's why a point has been awarded to Utkarsh Kale. So the score's level at 2-2. And if it stays this way, well, a protest now being lodged. A protest being lodged by Jaipur, and Utkarsh Kale agrees to it. It was his coach who threw in the sponge, saying, let's go for a video referral. I think they were asking for 2 points.
I think they were saying he'd taken him down. Interesting one. This really the crux of the whole bout, and we might get a chance to just look at that while we're waiting for the... We have indeed. Now, certainly no one down there. Now, was that a takedown? I think it wasn't. I think, again, the correct. Now, interestingly, if the Utkarsh Kale corner, they protested, and of course, if that protest is rejected...
It's rejected, John. That's what's happened. So now a penalty point will be given in favor of Haryana. Yes, so that works in their favor, doesn't it?
It has indeed.
A takedown. Wonderful stuff here by Utkarsh Kale. He's managed a takedown and level the score at 3-3. And now if it stays this way, he's going to win it. 1, because he scored the last point, but before that he scored a bigger maneuver point of 2 points. So either which way he's going to win it.
Well, we've still got a minute and a half, but now suddenly it's a different fight altogether. And Sandeep has got everything to do. Desperately trying to get round behind his man for a takedown himself. Utkarsh Kale resisting strongly. And that one coming to nothing. Back to the middle, 1 minute to go. And Sandeep Tomar anxious to get back on the attack as quick as possible.
Well, Utkarsh Kale is putting up a strong fight against the more experienced Sandeep Tomar. About 35 seconds still left in this contest. If it stays this way at 3-3, Utkarsh will win it. Sandeep Tomar trying his best to somehow garner a point.
Thinking about the push out, that would do it. Oh, and he takes his man out. It's got to be 1 at least. It's a two-pointer, in fact. The takedown counting as well. Big attack there from Sandeep Tomar. Gives him back control of the bout with just 15 seconds to go.
Oh, it's going down to the wire. Utkarsh has to give it his all now. Just about 10 seconds left. He's got to try a two-point takedown. That could do it for him. Trying something different, but he's caught in his own web. Utkarsh, can he manage a takedown? Time's running out. Well, time has run out. Oh, the point's been awarded by the referee, but time was already up. Yes, so the referee will signal that.
Yeah, Raman, it was way after. Vesna Pepersky was so taken up in the action that she was not actually able to see the clock. And the victory in the end goes to Sandeep Tomar. 5-3. Terrific second round comeback from Utkarsh Kale. But that is a fourth victory for the Haryana Hammers. They remain unbeaten in the whole competition, and they remain in that #1 spot.
Utkarsh did lose, but he wasn't disgraced, that's for sure, in this contest. Sandeep Tomar winning it on points 5-3, but just by the skin of his teeth.
Yeah, really tight one. Great fight, and all credit to Utkarsh Kale. Gave it everything.
Strong contest. Look at how Utkarsh was literally pouncing on his opponent. He was like a leopard just waiting for the opening, trying to go for the kill. And this is the final takedown that he managed. Unfortunately for him, it happened after the 6 minutes were over of the contest. So Haryana Hammers have already won this 4-2. There's one bout still to come, the women's 58 kg category. To watch that, stay with us. We'll return after a break.
असली दंगल।